Hey Flutter devs, welcome back to BLoC Mistakes, the series where we fix one common mistake at a time. Today's mistake is a subtle but dangerous mistake in a Flutter architecture, letting your blocks directly depend on each other. At first, it might seem efficient, like block A just calls a method on a block B, right? But now, they are tangled. One change in cart block might break checkout block and vice versa. You've created a tight coupling and that leads to fragile spaghetti-like architecture. It's hard to test, hard to debug, and hard to scale. So what should you do instead? Keep blocks decoupled. Let them communicate through events and state. Here's how you do it using BlocListener. Now, cart block doesn't even know checkout block exists. Cart block emits a state, BlocListener listens to that state and dispatches an event to checkout block. It's safe and clean and maintainable. Here's a pro tip. If multiple block needs to react to the same data, consider using a shared repository or a reactive stream as centralized source of truth. This pattern keeps your app architecture clean, with each block owning its own concerns while still collaborating redactably. This was a mistake number 11 in the BLoC Mistake series. Follow for more deep Flutter tips.